Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to electronically sign a document. This is a quick and convenient way to sign forms and agreements without the need to print or scan. Let's get started. To sign a document, we simply open the website, docusign.com. Once we are on the website, we just need to log in. It's free. Once logged in, we click on Sign a Document. If we want to request a signature from someone else, we can do that too. Since we are signing a document electronically, we just click this option. Next, we upload the files we want to sign. For example, a PDF file. After uploading, we click Sign. Let's wait for it to load. Now, we can create and add our signature. We can adjust the size. This is the largest our signature can be. Once we have added the electronic signature, we click Finish and then send it to someone if we want them to receive our signed document. Here, we can enter the email addresses, the subject, and a message, such as Done Signing, and click Send. And that's how we electronically sign a document. With this simple method, we can save time and keep everything digital.